Welcome to Legacy Eyes Academy. Today I am going to discuss editorial analysis of Hindu newspaper, that is making sense of the freebies issues. So first of all we will try to understand the context of this article. So we can say that recently Honorable Prime Minister spoke about reverie culture. Reverie culture is nothing but political parties are offering something to the voters and voters are giving vote to the that political party. And we will try to understand in this article what is reverie culture, what is subsidies, and what are the negative consequences, what are the significance, and what can be the way forward. Here, moreover, Chief Justice of India remarked that freebies were a serious issue and asked the central government to take a stand on the need to control the announcement of freebies by political party during the campaign. Second thing, he also spoke about we have to involve finance commissions regarding the proposal made by the political party. So for that purpose, this article is important. First of all, and second thing, we have to see why this article is important for us. We have GS paper 2. In GS paper 2, we have a topic like welfare scheme for vulnerable sections of the population by center and the state and performance of those schemes. So here we can say that in GS paper 2 topic under social justice, it is responsibility of the state and the central government to provide social economic justice to the people. Now, first of all, we will try to understand what is freebies. So, political party promises to offer electricity, water supply, monthly allowance to unemployed, daily wage worker, women, as well as gadget like laptop, smartphone to the voter. So, freebies is somehow we can say that offering something to the voter before the elections so that they can attract to the voter. Now, we have one confusion regarding this. Whenever we are talking about freebies is offering something to the voter. For example, we have a government and it is responsibility of the government to provide justice or to provide basic necessity thing to the voter or to the people. When government is not able to provide basic necessity things to the people, then in the elections when other political party are offering something or they are telling that we will provide health, education, we will provide water, home to the people, then I can say that it is not a harm. When this political party will come into the power, they will provide basic necessity things to the people. So here we have to understand one thing. We will try to understand whenever political parties are offering something, this offer is irrational or rational, or this offer is upholding social economic justice or not. That point we have to understand. Okay. Now, what are the advantage or what are the why there is a need for freebies? We know that in India, social economic disadvantaged peoples are living, and those people somehow dependent on the government. For example, BPL people, around 30% people in India is below poverty line. These below poverty line people somehow dependent on the government. So whenever government is providing something to the people, it is somehow upholding social and economic justice. Or whenever government is giving basic necessity things to the people, somehow it facilitate growth. For example, through public distribution system, government is providing subsidized food to the poor people and same time ensuring sufficient price to the farmers also. Employment generation schemes, whenever people are able to get ensured or secure employment, and when they are spending the money, again it is going to increase the growth in the country. Support for the education and enhanced outlay of the health, particularly during pandemic. During pandemic time, government have taken various measures, and those measures somehow part of the freebies also. help the lesser developed state. So we can say that in India, some of the state are Bimaru state. These Bimaru states somehow socially or economically backward. Whenever government are taking measures in like UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, so we can say that it is going to address the regional inequality in our country. And essentially for fulfilling expectations, as a citizen of India, we have a many expectations from our government, and those expectations are coming from our constitution itself. Constitution also says that it is responsibility of the state to provide justice, liberty and equality to the people. Whenever a state is doing something, it is not bad also, or we can say that it is expectation of the people from the government also. So that's why these freebies are needed. Now, what can be the issue? Issue are very major issue. We can say that somehow these freebies are going to make a representative democracy as a transactional democracy, or we can say that whenever political parties are offering something and they are getting the vote, okay, relation is not ended here. So we have a political party, we have a citizens. Political parties are offering something to the citizen and citizens are giving vote to the political party. But we should understand that it is right of the citizens to get basic necessity things. Okay, and we have DPSP also. DPSP are directive principle of state policy which guide to the government to provide basic necessity things to the citizen. Okay, so it simple means that if political parties are not offering also, even then it is people's right to get the basic necessity things. So why freebies are needed? And whenever freebies are offered by the political party to the people, it compromises free and fair elections. Because for free and fair elections, people's choices and wisdoms is very important. And whenever political parties are offering something, people are not able to take decision based on their wisdom. They are considering which party is offering what. So again, it is going to compromise the free and fair elections. And finally, it may have negative consequences on macroeconomic. For example, whenever freebies are offered irrationally, it may create inflation, and RBI policy may not work that time. It may create fiscal deficit also. So for all these purpose, we have to understand, we have to analyze freebies. So here, what is way forward? Way forward is very clear. It is responsibility of the state to provide basic necessity things to the people. If basic necessity things in form of subsidy are not sufficient, and parties are telling, okay, quality of the education is not improved by the current government, we will improve the quality of the education, we will improve the health status of the people. If 6,000 are not sufficient, if current government is giving, we can give more money also. I think that is not bad. We have to identify the proposal of the political party, to what extent it is rational and to what extent it is not rational. Okay, to identify that things, we can involve finance commissions also. So this is all about this topic. So here we have to clearly understand every freebies is not bad. Freebies also provide social and economic justice to the people. Through freebies only political party have the competitions. That thing we have to understand. And second thing, we also understand that people should not consider that, okay, it is privilege of the political party. We have to understand in a democracy, it is people right to get a basic necessity things, and people have a right to control over the government also. And this is all about this particular topic. Hope you are able to understand. And again, thank you for watching this video.